time to do your Christmas shopping. These are the people who shop in time, plenty of time. These are the people when time is there, who shop at their convenience. 12 days to Christmas, 12 days to Christmas. Look at the way they do their Christmas shopping. They can go shopping and still remain calm and sedate. These are the people we envy and the people that we hate. Thank you, please call again, do call again, thank you.
Why today, eh, Mr. Novak?
Certainly was, Miss Ballish.
Thank you for the book. It was excellent.
Glad you enjoyed it. Miss Ballish, will you be taking the bus home today?
Yes, I will.
May I walk you to the bus stop?
I'd like that, Mr. Novak. Thank you.
12 drummers from
12 drummers from
11 pipers